The scientists say that if you happen to lose one or more of your senses, the other ones expand. I mean, look at the master communicator, Helen Keller, for an example. So without sounding like a clown, you know perfectly well you can't taste, touch, or smell your client. Maybe
Right.
smell depends, but you know what I'm talking
I
about.
tasted a client one time. We'll say that for another episode.
Definitely. So let's just say we eliminate 3 of your senses. You should definitely have more expansive hearing. You know, you should be more active listening. But then people claim that you can't see on the phone. Well, come on, coach. You know perfectly well that a book is better than a movie. And if you close your eyes, you can still have image streaming. So you can still describe. And so my suggestion is, because you're talking about reading face, you could talk about proxemics, haptics, self and object adapting if people are doing these sort of tell signs in front of you. And sure, that's like an underhand pitch with a wiffle ball. But my brother, I'm talking about the real stuff, like when they put the blast shield down in Star Wars and Luke had to hit that ball with the lightsaber. I'm telling you that the purest form of speech is phonetic. It's sound. You might have congruence where audio matches the visual. We'll get to that later. But my man, I am going to walk you through how you can tell when people are, and I will say this, either lying to you, or you might need to ask for clarifications because you're not on the same page. Follow me this, 4 simple steps, coach. And you're a coach, you know you got to break it down and make it easy.
Yeah, frameworks, man. Frameworks are the easiest way to learn.